Hello everyone! So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-baby crow pose. It's such a fun pose to learn and it helps build strength and improve your balance. So let's go ahead and get started. But first things first, kailangan fully warm up na yung katawan mo bago mo gawin tong pose na to para you don't get sore, especially sa arms. So, make sure na mag-warm up ka muna. And also, gawin mo to nang wala kang lotion or hindi ka pinagpapawisan sa arms mo and sa legs mo para hindi siya madulas, para mas ma-achieve mo yung baby crow pose. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, if you're a beginner, mag-place ka ng pillow muna dito para hindi umano yung mukha mo. Para hindi tumama yung mukha mo sa floor. So, ipa-place mo yung arms mo na pa ganito and then yung tuhod mo is ilalagay mo siya dito sa biceps mo. So, let's do it. Okay, ganyan. Then, so may mga types na mag-slide-slide yung tuhod mo sa triceps. Triceps pala. Doon sa triceps mo. Pero, just keep on practicing. Kapag nag-slide, at least you can start over, find your balance, hanggang sa ma-practice ka na ma-practice. And then, later on, pwede mo na tanggalin yung pillow sa harap mo. So, let's do it again. If meron kang questions about this baby crow tutorial, then just feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn more yoga poses, then just click here on this playlist. And I'll see you guys in the next video ko. Bye!